Question number 8. Using the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Evaluate our first part I am taking, that is 310 whole square now we will solve using this formula. So first we will put this number into this form. So 310 we can write as 310 whole square is equal to 300 plus 10 whole square. Now the value of a is 300 and the value of b is 10. So we have written a plus b. Now we will put here the value in this formula or algebraic identity. Now here this is equal to 300 whole square plus 2 into a. The value of a is 300. So 2 into a into b. b is 10 plus b square, that is 10 square. Now we will solve it. 9 4 zeros are there, plus 3 to just 6, then 3 zeros are there, plus 100. Now we will add it, then we will get the answer. Now 0 is there, 0 0 0. Now 0 0 0 again. Now 1 is here, 0 is here and 0 is here. So 1 will come here. Now here 6 is there and here 0 is there. So 6 will be there. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now no digits are there. Now here 9. So 310 whole square. What we have got answer? Answer we have got 310 whole square is equal to 96100. So this is clear to you. We have used this identity, split this 310 in the form a plus b. Now put in the identity that is the formula. There the value of a is 300 and b is 10. Everywhere we have put the value a and b, then we are getting the answer. Third part I am taking, that is 630 whole square we have to evaluate. Then again 630 whole square, that is equal to 600 plus 30 whole square. Clear? This is a and this is b. The value of a is 600, the value of b is 30. Now we will put here, and a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will solve it. 36, then 4 zeros will be there. After squaring 600, here we are getting what? 6 is 18, 18 to 36, and then 3 zeros will be there. And this is 30 square, that is 900. Now what we will do? We will add here 0, 0, 0. So we are getting 0. Now 0, 0, 0. We are getting 0. Now 9 is there, 0 is there and 0 is there. So we are getting 9. Then we have 6 here and 0 here. So we are getting 6 here. Now 3 is there and then 6 is there. So we are getting 6, 3, 9. Nothing is there. Now 3 is there. So answer we are getting 396,900. What we have done, 630 is split in the form a plus b whole square, then a square plus 2ab plus b square. After solving we are getting this one, we have added, we have got the answer. Now question number 9 is there, using the formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We have to use this formula. We have to, after that we have to evaluate first part. I am taking, that is 196 whole square. 196 whole square. First part is 196 whole square. Solution. Now earlier we have done a plus b whole square. Now we have to do a minus b whole square. So this is near to 200. So the value of a will be 200. First I am writing 196 whole square. So the value of a will be 200. And minus b, what we will subtract from 200 to get 196, that is 4. So the value of b is 4. So 200 minus 4, we are getting 196. Now this is square. Now what we will do, a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square is there. So plus 400, 4 square. So the value of b is 4. So 4 square. Now we are getting 2 4 and 4 zeros will be there. After squaring 200 we are getting 40,000 minus what we are getting here, 4 to 8 to 16, and then double 0 will be there, and here we are getting only 16. Now we will add this one and this one, then we will subtract this 1600. So after adding 40,000 and 16, we are getting 40016 minus 1600. Clear? We have added this one to this one, we have got this one, then minus 1600. Now subtract to get the answer. So 6 minus 0, that is 6. 1 is there and 0 is there. 1 minus 0, that is 1 we are getting. Clear? Here it is 0, but here it is 6. So we will borrow from here, so it will become 10. So 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, we are getting 4. Now this is 9. This becomes 9. So 9 minus 1, we are getting 8. 9 minus 1, we have got 8. Now this one, it has given 4 here. So here it is only 3. So 38416. So this is our answer. 38416. Now ninth question, third part we are taking. Third part is 891 whole square. 891 whole square is this one. So solution we will do here. 891, this is close to 900. So 891 whole square, this is close to 900. So So the value of A we will take, that is 900, and minus what we will do to get 891, we have to subtract 9 from 900 to get 891. So minus 9 square. If you solve this again, you will get this one. Clear? So now we will use this formula. A, the value of A is 900 and the value of B is 9. So we will write the right side of this formula. So 900 A square, that is 900 square minus 2 into A into B plus B square, that is plus 9 square. Now we will solve it. 900 square 81, then 4 zeros will be there, minus 9 9 ja 81, 81 into 2, that is 162 and double 0, plus 81. Again what we will do, we will add this one and this one, then we will subtract this one. So we are adding 1 and 0, we are getting 1, 8 and 0, we are getting 8, then nothing is there, so double 0, then 1, then 8 we have written, and minus 16200. Now we will subtract from this quantity we will subtract to get the answer. 1 minus 0, that is 1, 8 minus 0, that is 8, then 0 is there and 2 is there, so it will become 10 minus 2, that is 8. Now what is here? Here it becomes 9, so 9 minus 6, you are getting 3, and what is here? 1, it has gone there, so now it is what? 1 is there, but 1 it is not there because it has taken it. So now it is 10. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 and it is 7. So our answer is 793,881. So this is our answer. Question number 10. Evaluate the first part I am taking, that is 69 into 71. 69 into 71. So we will apply another algebraic identity here. First I am writing this one solution. 69 into 71. So what we can write? 69, this is close to 70, this is also close to 70, so we will write in the form of 70. This is 70 minus 1, and this is 71 is 70 plus 1. This is clear? 69 is equal to 70 minus 1 and 71 is 70 plus 1. So this is equal to, I am writing this one here so that I can use this place. 69, this is equal to 70 minus 1, 70 plus 1. Now this is equal to, we are getting here the identity A plus B. First I am writing this one, 70 plus 1, 70 minus 1. I am using here the identity A plus B into A minus B. This is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square. The same form is here. a plus b, a minus b. 70 plus 1, 70 minus 1, a plus b, a minus b. So we are getting a square, that is 70 square minus 1 square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square we have written. Now what you are getting? 4900 minus 1. Now you subtract it. 0 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Here it is 9, so we will write here 9. Now here it is 8. 4, 8, 9, 9, 4, 8, 9, 9 we have got. Clear? So our answer is 4899. Answer 4899 we have got. Now question number 11, we have to evaluate here in question number 11. First part is 88 into 92. 88 into 92. Now solution, 88 into 92, this is, we can write 88 into 92, this is close to 90, this is also close to 90. So we can write this as 90 minus 2 and this as 90 plus 2. Now we can write this one as 90 plus 2 and 90 minus 2. A plus b into a minus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. So the value of a is what? 90 and the value of b is 2. The value of a is 90 and the value of b is 2. A plus b, a minus b. So this is a square, that is 90 square minus 2 square. So we are getting what? 8100 minus 4. So we will subtract 0 minus 4, that is 10 minus 4, this is equal to 6. Now here it is 9 and here it is 1 was there and now it is 0. So 0 and 8096. This is our answer. Answer 8096. 8096. Now it is clear to you what we have done. 88 into 92. This was the question given. This was close to 90. This was also close to 90. So 90 minus 2, 90 plus 2, and commutative law we have applied here. We can also directly write come from this to this step, but I have written this in this form only. So 90 plus 2, 90 minus 2, then a square minus b square. So a is 90, so a square is this and b square is this. So we have got the answer.